guys, and welcome back to another vlog. And every time I don't vlog for a minute and I pick it up, I feel like I forget how to vlog. It's gonna be a little day in life vlog. We about to go to the gym right now, and yeah, I'll see y'all there. I've been pretty consistent ever since the year started. 3 days of weightlifting on and off with cardio, because my cardio would just be basketball. Since I haven't really been running up and down or playing basketball that much, I've been going on like the bike after every workout. I don't mind making more gym videos for you guys, bro. I'm not no gym specialist or, you know, none like that, but I think my workouts, they benefit me in the way that they do. So if you guys really want to, you know, I can share that, so I don't mind. Let's get this grinding, man. Let's get this summer body, man. As you guys can tell, we are at the basketball court. I kind of like Lifetime's court. Is they got this three-pointer from I think it's NBA range, and you know, I would like to live out my Steph Curry fantasies and work on my NBA three-pointer and say, you know, I can make an NBA three. But I don't think is that regulation for real. Even though I said I was going to bring my camera everywhere, I think the gym is like the exception, because I don't want to invade people's personal space, you know, and especially like if there's girls working out, like I don't want a big ass camera behind them. Oh, and this is my brother. You guys seen him before? He has not put on basketball shoes or played basketball in like 4 or 5 years. Like 4. Hey! Oh! This is NBA, this is college, and I think this is regular.
Where's WNBA?
Oh my god. Hey! Just got done working out. I did about, I'm gonna say 6 to 7 workouts each time I go to the gym. I recorded some clips of me doing some lat pull downs, but I don't think I'm gonna include in here, man, because it's lat pull downs and it's like seared rows where I don't feel like my form is really good. I am getting better at my lat pull downs though, I will say that. With that being said, I'm gonna get back because my package arrived. It's a sample for my clothing brand, and I'm gonna have a whole separate video on that probably this week about what I'm doing with my clothing brand and everything. But I'm still making clothes. Like, I'm still trying to just make cool little pieces. We're gonna unbox it, we're gonna check it out, see how it came out, see if it fits me, stuff like that. So that's gonna be fun. It's good to get back to creating just in general. Got cooked from basketball. You see, kids, this is why you do cardio on a day-to-day basis. You know, all that weightlifting, if you get chased by a bear, bro, you're cooked. So we made it back at the crib. I'm about to show you guys the clothing brand sample right now. I already unboxed it, but I haven't. It's right here. I haven't really took a look at it yet, so we're gonna do that. But before that, I'm gonna get this ring light down, because we finna be on the floor for this one. Let me just get set up right quick. But I might as well tell you guys, since we had like a little gym portion of the vlog, on top of working out that much, I also eat on a calorie deficit, or I try to be. I have like obviously days where I just eat whatever I want. Basically, I just put my height and weight into a BMI calculator. It just told me like what I needed to eat if I wanted to gain weight, and what I needed to eat if I want to lose weight or maintain weight. I highly recommend it if you want to, you know, try to watch what you eat a little bit. A little context on me making this piece. One, I seen this type of jacket other people make, and I just wanted to make one on my own. And number two, when I started making clothes, I wanted to make at least one type of item. I wanted to make at least one shirt, one hoodie, one jacket, like, yeah, all that stuff. So I haven't made a zip up jacket yet. Needless to say, this is my clothing brand sample. First impression, I think this is really, really nice, man. This is very much my style, because one, when I actually dress, not just like come from the gym and all, like I like to put on layers. So, you know, this is a very good layering piece for me just to have. If you guys do want me to sell it, and I do decide to sell it, I'm not gonna do pre-orders. For those who know about pre-orders and all the problems it has, yeah, that's why I don't do them. So if I do decide to sell it, you guys are gonna get it in a couple days. But as of right now, the plans for right now is just, I'm just making cool stuff for just the overall brand. I don't know if you guys still see me, but here's the wide look of the zip up. Dang, man, I really, really like this. And here's the star in the back, if you guys know what this symbolizes, you know. Shout out to you, man. But overall, bro, this feels amazing. It's not too heavy and it's not too light. Like, it will keep you warm, but it's not, I mean, it is gonna be hot depending on where you are, but it's not too heavy, you know, but it's not too thin where you get cold from it. I don't know if you guys can see, but you see the material from the hood and the actual body of it and how it comes texturized, and this is more smoothing. I like it too, bro. Like, this is exactly how I drew up the mock-up. Obviously, you guys see the little distress embroidery. I might cut these, but I don't know. If it starts falling apart, I will cut them, but I'll just leave it on for now. And I really love how this turned out. Like, truly, this is exactly how I imagined it too. On top of that, we got the little acid wash. Just look at it now. This sample is really texturized, which I love texturized clothes. When I shop for clothes, I really shop for like feel rather than look of it. You know, like if a shirt don't feel good on me or I don't like the material, then I'm not buying it. So I'm really glad the material of this hoodie came out the exact way I drew it up, bro. The only thing I will say I don't like, but it's not even a big deal. It's me nitpicking, but it's the stitching on the inside. And truthfully, there's just no way I think you could stitch this part in without having it lay over on the other side. But that's just nitpicking, and no one looks inside your hoodies anyways. You guys don't understand. I think this is my favorite piece of item that I've ever made. And for me personally, the one thing I did want to evolve as a person who just makes clothes, whether that's to sell for myself, is to just have a more mature aesthetic, because you know the trends of the graphic tees, and I think I'm fairly self-aware that this is also a trend type of hoodie, but I think it is a good start in the direction where I want to take my designs, you know, more mature, more subtle, I guess. I mean, this isn't really subtle, but anyone can really wear it from any age group. But yeah, guys, it's good to be back just creating clothes, making clothes, and making YouTube videos. I'm sorry about this vlog being a little rusty. Once again, I be forgetting how to vlog when I don't vlog for a period of time. So, yeah, I'll see you guys soon. I'm literally uploading this video and then another video. Yeah, man, I'm out.